Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to mute a profile on Threads. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to mute a profile on Threads. Maybe you know someone who follows you or you follows them and you cannot unfollow them because you think the relationship in between you will get affected. So you just want to mute them because you don't like their post, their stories. So you just want to mute them but you don't want to unfollow it. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Even if you have any other reason for that, don't worry, I'll show you how you can do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. Here first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Threads app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, you just have to make sure that you have already created your account on it and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. After that, just simply tap on the icon of the Threads app to open it. Once the app gets open, first at the top you will see its logo and you will see many threads because we are in the home section. Other than that, we have this option through which you can explore and search for different things, and here you can create or type threads. And we have this option. With the help of that you can check your notification, and this option is for profile. So now if you want to mute a profile, what you have to do is that you have to go to that profile. So you can go to the profile from your home section. But if you want to mute someone, you can also do that by just going to the search section, and in the search bar you can search for their username or their name. Once their profile comes on the search section, you have to tap on it and profiles open and then you can mute it. Otherwise, I'll show you how easily you could do it. So let's say this is the profile that I want to mute. So first what I have to do is that I have to click on its name, and after that click here and the profile will open. Once the profile opens, you will read its title, which is the name, the profile picture, the bio, and the following information like how many people have followed this profile. And you will also see some of the posts and threads related to that profile. Now if you want to mute this profile, what you have to do is that you have to click on these three dots. You could see this one. Just simply click on these dots and then few options will pop up. First you can copy the link of this profile and you can share it, and with the third option you can mute it. So if you tap onto the mute section, this profile will get muted. Here you can see. Now what happens is that if someone follows them, you will not get to know about it. Or maybe if this profiles post any kind of thread, or in future if it uploads a story, you will not be able to get it. You will not be able to see it because you have muted it, and you can see it once you unmute this profile. So if you're okay with this profile to be muted by you, then you can keep it muted. But if you want to unmute it, then again click on these three dots and you can click on this option which says unmute, and this profile will get unmute. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can mute a profile on Threads. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.